How to deposit a check online on Scotiabank. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to discuss about how can you deposit a check online on Scotiabank. So did you know that you can conveniently deposit a check by taking a picture of it? No need to check your branch opening hours. You can now make a deposit whenever and wherever you like. Using your smartphone, check deposits can be made from everywhere, wherever you are. When you're done, you will get a confirmation that your deposit has been accepted. When you have confirmed this, write deposited on the front of the check and keep the check for 5 business days and destroy it within 120 days. You can also sign up to be notified by the app or by email when deposit has been made to your account. In order to deposit a check to your account, from the app's home screen, tap on Deposit a Check, select the account you want to deposit to enter the amount. From here, you have to select the Savings Money Master, click on it, and then you have to enter the amount. And after that, you need to capture the check image. That is, take photo of your front and the back of your check. After that, click on Use Image and just slide to deposit. And finally, click on Finish. So this was all. This is how you can deposit a check online on Scotiabank. It is really easy process. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.